Following this video guide will help you to get rid of the browser hijacking extension called PDF Converty New Tab. This is a browser hijacking extension that may change the default search engine settings without the user's permission. So if this PDF Converty New Tab was somehow installed into your browser, you need to get rid of this unwanted extension. Otherwise, as I said, the default search engine settings of your browser would be changed. So you need to do something to get rid of this extension if it was installed without your permission. To remove any third-party extensions from your Google Chrome browser, this is what you need to do. Access the menu of your browser. Menu, go to More Tools, then choose Extensions. So now you need to disable and remove any third-party extensions you don't need. Finally, I would recommend you to additionally research your computer with Combo Cleaner antivirus. Go to the page combocleaner.com, download it, install the software, and then start carefully examining your system. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, for the first time the program will be initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available. So you need to click on Start Scan button, and then the scanning will immediately begin. But most likely, of course, the program should first of all update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. So don't skip that important step if Combo Cleaner suggests you to update its antivirus database. Then the scanning itself will take place. The scanning duration depends on various factors. It may depend on how infected the computer is. It may depend on how many hard drives are being scanned at the same time. And it may depend on other factors too, of course. Combo Cleaner will give you the summary of all the threats which were revealed during the scan at the end of the scan. I want to emphasize your attention on several features, for instance, anti-ransomware feature, which will always protect your files against ransomware attacks. This feature is the part of the premium license, though. So you need to wait a certain amount of time until the scanning has been successfully finalized by Combo Cleaner. At the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the threats which were revealed on your computer. Of course, some threats can be removed manually. However, we recommend that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner to make sure your computer is always under decent protection.